We're going to go over a few words that sometimes drive us crazy. We're going to put our hands and emphasis on how these words should absolutely be pronounced. Okay? Trying to decrease or remove the difficulties and provide comfort. Let's go. Salmon.
Salmon.
This is salmon.
Salmon.
If we use it as an adjective, it means the light pink color. Okay? It's fish species. Almond.
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 Almond is a kind of nuts, which is loose. Okay? Almond.
Almond.
Sword.
Sword.
It's a kind of weapon. Okay? Sword.
Sword.
Not sword. Drop the Y sound. Sword.
Sword.
Archive.
Archive.
Is quite a common word. We use it commonly. Okay? Archive, we say it in Arabic, which is archive, something related to documents or storing documents. Archive.
Archive.
This is a land turtle. Okay? We say it like tortoise.
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 Little fish. I love sardine.
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 This is very popular among
Event.
people. Yes.
Event.
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 We place here the stress on the second syllable, not event or whatever. It's event.
Event.
Schedule.
Schedule.
This combination sounds like killer. Okay. Schedule.
Schedule.
Means timetable. This one, generally the AR sounds ah, as in car, as in arm, as in barn, and so on words, okay? But in this certain case, it sounds ah. Caramel.
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 I said them once. I need someone voluntarily. I know that most of the attendees are teachers, okay? I need someone to repeat them once more again. Who can say them out voluntarily? I don't want to pick one victim. Miss Iman, okay. She's our volunteer today, okay? She will help me reading out the words one more time for your peers, okay? Hello, everybody. She's greeting you. She said, hello, everybody.
Hello.
Okay.
Salmon,
Salmon, good.
almond,
Nice.
sword,
Sword.
sword,
Yeah.
archive,
Again.
archive,
Archive.
tortoise,
Fine.
sardines,
Hardine.
event, schedule,
Again.
schedule,
Schedule.
schedule, caramel,
Caramel.
caramel.
I think that she did well. Yes, very big hand.